Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel, Decor and More with Anita. I'm your girl Anita, and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday, guys. So today I'll be doing a beautiful spring tablescape, and these are the decor or the items that I'm going to be using for my tablescape. So stay tuned. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead, turn that post notification bell on, and hit subscribe, you guys. Well, actually, hit subscribe, then turn your post notification bell on so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And go ahead, share my videos with your family and friends. I don't mind. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. So my beautiful friends, we have come to the end of the video, and this is my beautiful spring tablescape. If you like it, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Share my videos with your family and friends. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe and put your post notification bell on so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. Until next time, be blessed and be creative. Bye bye.